Hi guys, welcome to my video where I'm going to show you how you can make money watching videos in 2019. Now this is the easy method. This is a website I'm going to show you where you watch videos and carry out other simple tasks and get paid money, up to $30 per task. Now this is a great method. It's a great new website. It was recommended to me by somebody who's been making some money and I love it. So Make money watching videos is perfect for anyone who wants to make some really easy money. It is perfect if you're new to internet marketing, affiliate marketing. If you've never done anything before, this really is a super easy method to get started, to start making some money and getting a feel of the internet. Now, keep watching this video, guys, because I will show you everything you need to do. And more importantly, I have found a great hack for this method where you can easily earn much more than you normally would, sometimes even double, by using my simple hack. So watch the video and I'll reveal that as we go along. So watch this to the end. I'll show you exactly what you need to do. I'll show you the website, I'll show you how it works, I'll show you the sign up process, the different modules, and exactly what you need to do. This is a super easy method where you can make money every single day. If you're looking for passive income, if you're looking to make as much money as you need to, this is the website. Okay, you can do this in 10 minutes, you can do it in a bit of downtime, you can do it when you're sitting on the sofa, on the couch watching TV. Do it whenever you need to make that extra cash. Now before we do the training, guys, do me a favor please, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification. I really would appreciate you doing that. If you do that for me, I will make sure that I notify you and send you an update every time I publish a new Make Money video. That means you'll be the first to see it, the first to try it out, and the first to start making some money. So please guys, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, really appreciate it. Leave any comments you want below the videos, I answer them all, and I'll be very grateful. So I'm Bobby D, let's get on with your training. Right guys, welcome back to my video. So the first thing you need to do is go to utest.com. So that's utest.com. You'll be presented with the main page. All you need to do is sign up for it. You'll be sent a confirmation email and then you will be taken to this access page here. Let's put myself up there. So this is the UTest basic page, the home page. So create your account, confirm your address, set up your payment method so you get paid, PayPal, connect with the community, complete your profile, scan the projects, take a course. So it's a really simple website. Now, first of all, make sure you do all this. You see I haven't, but fill all this out, and you basically, the more you fill out, the better chance is of you getting a job. So the first thing you want to go to is Academy. Now this is really good. So this is the Academy on how to use UTest. So there's different courses there. There's Welcome to UTest, UTest Communication, Bug Reports, Slots and Test Cases, Introduction to Testing, Computer Testing, Mobile, Charles, Proxy Testing, Academy Testing, Alexa Testing, Payment Testing, and more courses. So you need to read these videos because some of the tasks you get, this will tell you how to do it. So you go to Welcome, it's pretty easy. What is UTest? It's an online global community of testers and technology enthusiasts who are passionate about shaping the world digital landscape. UTest Communication. This course teaches you the basics about how to communicate, how to do a course, introduction to testing, and this shows you the tasks you're likely to get.
Are computers, phones, and tablets. You will learn.
So watch these videos, guys. There's quite a lot in there for you to look at and read, but the videos are short, they're only a couple of minutes long. So once you've done that, let's just skip down to community. And this is like a Facebook page. People write things, how to do things, inspiring stories, how much money they make, test cases, really good, really good. And you can put anything on there. If you get stuck, you can just ask for some help. So then we go to projects. Now, when you sign up, you put what country you're in, okay? So if you put UK, like I have, the jobs that I will get will include the UK. Here we go. So you've got urgent projects and featured projects, okay? And you have a date when it starts. So this one here, urgent paid voice recording opportunity in the UK. We're looking for testers located in England, Ireland, Scotland and Wales, that's me, for a paid voice recording opportunity to help improve voice controlled products. We need testers with a different voice accent categories as below. So let's just click this out of interest. And here it is there. We need testers with accents for North, Midlands, East Anglia, South, West Country, Irish, Scottish, Welsh. This testing will be taking place in home and on site. Okay, so if you're interested in that, you would hit the apply button. This is all free, guys, you don't pay. And then you would fill this out. I'm signing up for myself. Put your contact information in and you go through the questions that it asks. Sometimes you're asked to provide a voice sample. If you do, just do that, send it off, and what happens is they will come back to you if they like what they see. Now, the more jobs you get, the higher rating you get, okay? So you can go down and have a look at some more. So you get this as well, UK referral. So do you know somebody over the age of 64? So if you did, get them to sign up for this, get them to fill out the 64 project, and if they get chosen, you get $25 for referring them, okay? So it's really good if you've got a family or a friend. Android phone testing, let's have a look at this one. Please provide us with your SKU number for an upcoming project. Hit apply, again, fill all that in, okay? It is that simple. Now, at the moment, I'm an unrated tester, okay? The more jobs you do, the better score you get, and once you get up to sort of gold, you're almost guaranteed to get jobs. Now, when you sign up, you get paid depending on what country you're in. So England, I'd get so much money. America, so much money. If you were, you know, Africa, you'll get so much money. Now you get more money, basically, the bigger the country is. So if you were in Africa, I'll use it as an example, you might get $5 for this job, where in the USA, they're paying $20. So that's slightly unfair. So what you can do is this hack, guys. Use a VPN, sign up to it with the VPN on, saying you're in America. The computer thinks you're in America, so you'll qualify for that $20 job instead of a $5 job. Bosh, simple. And it works, okay? That definitely works. So that's a little hack that you can use. Use a VPN and put yourself where the most money is. But this is a really, really good site. I really like it. It comes highly recommended. And you know I only recommend sites that I know make money. And this is definitely one of them. The slight issue with this is you might not get picked straight away, but just keep at it, keep at it, keep at it. The more you do, the more money you're going to make. Now, in regard to money, once you filled the application form in, they come back with how much money you're going to earn. All right, like you can earn some substantial money with this. So that is it. That is UTest. Simple, easy, great way of making money. 5 minutes to fill it out. Do it, guys. Highly recommended. And I hope you make some money. So before I sign off, guys, please, please, please remember my hack, VPN. Remember to sign up to my channel, hit the notification button, keep updated with everything I do, and I would really, really appreciate it. I'm Bobby D, guys. I'll see you in the next video.